Today, it's gonna be a little bit different of a Pins and Things video. I need to spend a little bit more time with my kids. So today, Corbin's gonna make an easy kids craft.
Welcome to Beach Kids Craft. That's my channel.
Powdered cane sugar.
Okay, I'll do all of it. Is this edible to eat?
Yes.
No, I mean all this stuff.
Not all of it. This is definitely not edible to eat. I mean, you could taste it, but it would probably taste horrible.
Do I have to put this in first?
Yep. And whatever you do, don't touch it.
Okay.
I'm just kidding, you can touch it.
No, I'm not.
Whoa!
Wow.
You know what? As a kid, playing with shaving cream was really fun. I'm sure my dad was always like, why is it always empty? Okay, I dare you to put your hand under it and catch it when I put it out.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Good. Good. I think that's plenty.
Ha.
Ooh, this feels cool already. Even just with the spoon, I can tell. Wow!
Now I'm gonna mix it.
All right. Good job mixing, Corbin. Good job. So, I'm really enjoying this. I feel like this is super important just to be able to spend a little bit of time doing something fun and unique and different that we don't normally do, but that is a really fun kids sensory activity. I like it. More shaving cream. Here we go. Oh, that's coming out nicely. I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it and see what happens. You touched it! I can't believe you touched it! Ew, gross, yuck, ew, gross. It feels so soft. Ah! Looks like Jell-O. Like Jell-O salad.
You better tell everybody that this is mine.
I wonder what would happen if we stuck some gelatin in it. Should we try that?
Yes!
So for this video, I saw a thing on Pinterest that was just like fun kids sensory activities. And so what I wanted to do was, actually it was cornstarch and shaving cream. Well, I don't really have any cornstarch, but I do have some powdered sugar and it seems to be pretty close in texture to cornstarch. So that's why I decided to just mix this together. Because I don't have a recipe or anything, I'm just kind of figuring it out and playing and having fun with Corbin. I'm going to make some gelatin and melt it down in the microwave and just add it in and see what happens.
I hope it doesn't turn into slime.
All right, we're waiting for the water to be finished and we're mixing in a little bit more blue food coloring just to see what's gonna happen. I've got probably about a half a cup of really hot water from the microwave and 2 packets of gelatin ready to go. All right, just gotta mix it together. Ready, set? Okay, mix it up. Oh my goodness, have we figured out another way to make slime?
Ah,
The texture is a lot like
it
frost.
smells just like puke.
You can see it's starting to thicken up very nicely and staying on my hand very nicely. It's hardly moving at all. It's very thick. But I decided I wanted to add a little bit more. We found cornstarch. We're gonna add in a little bit of cornstarch and see if we can get it to be like almost a Play-Doh consistency. I feel like Gollum. I don't want to sit down or anything because it's gonna get on me, but it ended up being very, very sticky. But when it was covered in powder, and I ran out of cornstarch, but when it had cornstarch on it, it was starting to just become a big ball of soft, fluffy slime. Now look at it. It actually was holding its shape really well too, and it still is. This is what we've come up with. But doesn't that look nasty and disgusting? I think it might be a fail. Super soft 2-ingredient Play-Doh. Fail! These are punching bags, punching gloves. Sailor went to sea, 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 to sea.
on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Watch me on the beach house and watch more slime videos.